Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today we are making a proper Ghanaian classic goat meat light soup, just the way our mothers do it. Simple ingredients, rich flavor, and that beautiful aroma that fills the whole house. So, if you love a comforting soup that goes perfectly with fufu rice ball or boiled yam, then stay with me. You're about to cook something truly special. We are starting off by cooking our vegetables. So in a pot, I've added my garden eggs, fresh tomatoes, pepper, and last I'll go in with some green pawpaw. The green pawpaw adds a light creamy texture to the soup and a lovely natural flavor. Make sure you peel it, remove the seeds and cut it into smaller chunks before adding it to the pot. I also add enough water to it, cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until they are nice and soft. And we are back after 20 minutes and this is how it looks like. Very soft and perfect. We're going to allow this to cool down completely, and from there we're going to move to our next stage. Now let's move on to the star of the day, our goat meat. I've already washed and cut my goat meat into medium pieces. Add them into your cooking pot, then blend together onions, ginger, garlic, and a bit of pepper. You can omit the pepper if you don't want, okay? Pour that mixture over the meat. That is what will season the meat nicely inside out. I also added the aroma or spice blend to it, but unfortunately the camera couldn't capture it, but remove. But all the same, I'm also going to be adding in the aroma tablet as well, which is super good. Trust me, this is one of my favorites. You need to try this tablet seasoning. Trust me, you're going to love it. Add it to it and all you need is some salt to taste. At this point, you can allow it to steam in its own juices, or you can also add a little bit of water to it to steam alongside with it. It all depends on how you want it, but I just added a little bit of water to it though. Now after about 10 minutes, we're going to give it a quick stir, and as you can see, it's looking absolutely juicy and perfect. Now let's cover it for additional 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you will start smelling that beautiful mix of ginger and garlic blending with the goat's aroma. That scent alone can wake up anyone in the house. Trust me. Try to use aroma seasoning in all your food and you will come back with a living testimony. Trust me. Alright, so next it's time for us to go in with our tomato paste. For this soup, you can either use tomato paste or fresh tomatoes, or you can use both and that will be fine. Okay, stir the tomato paste together with the meat and allow it to steam again on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. By now our vegetables have cooled down a bit, so it's time to blend them. We're going to add all the vegetables into a blender, blend until smooth and creamy, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. If you don't want your soup too spicy, you can remove one of the pepper before blending, unless you like it hot just like me. Okay, after blending, strain the mixture if you want, or you can just pour it directly to the soup, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Don't forget as well to add a bit of water depending on how light or thick you want your soup to be. Give it a nice stir to mix everything together. At this point, the color should already start looking rich and appetizing. I'll be enjoying this soup with fufu, obviously, so let's go ahead and add some okra to it. It is totally optional though. Cover it and let it simmer gently on medium heat for another 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you will notice some oil starting to rise on the top. That's good sign your soup is ready. Taste for salt and seasoning. If it needs a little more, adjust it to your taste. You can also add more onions or a bit of blended tomato if you prefer a deeper color, and trust me, this is just fine. At this point, your goat's meat should be soft and juicy. And now our soup is ready and it looks absolutely beautiful. You can serve it hot with your favorite side, fufu, rice ball, boiled yam, or even plantain. But as I said, I'm going to be enjoying mine with fufu, which is plantain fufu. Enjoy yours with any swallow or any combo of your choice. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Cooking with Efya for more amazing and authentic Ghanaian delicious recipes. I hope you're going to try this Ghanaian goat meat pepper soup or light soup recipe, and I'll be very glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. Until next time, stay blessed, keep smiling, and happy cooking. Bye.